Hi, I'm Dan Gable with Shore Murphy and Associates at Casey, and this is another episode of Big Agent in a Small Town. First, please like this video and subscribe to our Shore Murphy and Associates at Casey YouTube channel. And today we're going to be talking about claims, which is probably obviously the most important part of your insurance policy, and which us agents don't always talk about enough. And specifically, what we're going to talk about today is why you should work with an insurance company that uses company adjusters rather than third-party adjusters. So first of all, what's a company adjuster versus a third-party adjuster? So a company adjuster is an adjuster that is actually employed by the insurance company that you have your policy through. Whereas a third-party adjuster will be an adjuster or employed by an outside company that is contracted with your insurance company. So you might think, what's the big deal? A claim is a claim. What's the big benefit of having a company adjuster? So there are a few things I would go over why I think it's really beneficial to have a company adjuster working on your claim. The first is just response time and how easy it is to get a hold of someone. So when you turn in a claim, let's say the claim is being turned in online or by phone, the first thing that's going to happen is it's going to get assigned to an adjuster. If you're working with a company adjuster, it will get assigned to them. Ideally, within 24 hours, you're going to have that initial contact from them and get the ball rolling on that claim experience. If it's a company that uses a third-party adjuster, the claim is going to come into the company. Then they have the extra step of assigning it to a third-party adjuster, and it can take even longer sometimes before you get that initial contact. And so, that's definitely an efficiency with company adjusters. Next is, I would say, accountability as well too. This is by no means to put down third-party adjusters, but if for some reason you have an issue with a company adjuster, or you can always reach out and talk to a supervisor with the company, and you're still talking to someone who's employed with the company, and can find a resolution hopefully quicker, or rather than if you have an issue with a third-party adjuster, you're probably jumping through more hoops to try to find someone else who can help you work through things and navigate through things as well too. Another really important thing is company adjusters are going to be the most familiar with their company's policy forms. So, for example, on business policies, lots of companies have some kind of what they call a property plus endorsement or something like that, where you'll see about 30 extra coverages in addition to the basic property policy. Well, every company's property plus endorsement is just a little bit different. So, if you're or a third-party adjuster that's working with 10 different insurance companies, it's not realistic to know 10 property plus endorsements inside and out. So your company adjuster or just working for one company is going to have that benefit as well too, which is also going to help settle claims more quickly and easily as well too. And then the final step again is just in how quick claims can get settled. So if you're working with a company adjuster, or once they've made an inspection if needed, or talked to a repair company or gotten estimates and reviewed them, once they're good with the payment going out, they just make a request for a payment to go out. Things can get handled quickly. With a third-party adjuster, or they're having to send their findings to the company is still having to okay those findings, then and requesting a check to get issued. So again, it's just another hoop to jump through. An example I can give you of where this quickness can really come in with company adjusters. I had a contractor who had caused damage to a customer's kitchen floor, and their kitchen floor had to be replaced. He turned in the claim in one day. The insurance company talked to our client, also the customer whose floor was damaged. Within a day, they had an electronic signature on a payment authorization and had a check mailed out. So, not saying every claim will get handled that quickly, but there's just a potential it's going to get settled much more quickly with a company adjuster. So one thing I recommend when you're shopping for insurance or looking at the current policy you have, definitely ask your agent whether you're working with a company that uses their own company adjusters or uses third-party adjusters, because it can be a huge factor in the service on your claims. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please reach out by phone or text at 217-932-2267 or by email to Dan, D-A-N, at shoremurphycasey, SHOREMURPHYCASEY.com. Thank you.